In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an app template in Base44. We'll walk through this together from inside the Base44 editor so you can follow along on your own screen. The idea behind an app template is that you can reuse the same structure, settings, and layout across multiple apps without rebuilding everything from scratch each time. Once you've created a good template, it can save you a lot of time and keep your projects consistent. Start by making sure you're logged into your Base44 account and that you have the app open that you want to turn into a template. From here, look towards the main navigation in your editor. The first thing you want to do is click on Dashboard. This takes you to the central area for managing your app. If you happen to be inside a specific page or feature, use Dashboard as your way to zoom back out and see the overall app settings and options. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. Settings is where Base44 keeps all the configuration options that apply to the entire app, not just a single page. This is exactly where template-related controls usually live, because a template affects the whole app structure. Inside the Settings section, find and click on App Template. This is the dedicated area where you manage templates for this app. If you don't see it right away, scan the sidebar or the tabs until you spot App Template, as it may appear grouped with other advanced or app-level options. Now that you're in the app template section, you'll see options to manage existing templates or create a new one. Here, you want to select the configuration or base app that you want to turn into a template. In most cases, that means confirming that the current app you're working on is the one you'd like to use as your starting point. After you've selected the correct option, click on Create. This action tells Base44 that you want to generate a new template from the current setup. Give the system a moment to load, especially if your app is large or has many components. Once you click Create, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Base44 will typically guide you through naming your template, adding an optional description, and confirming which parts of the app should be included. Take a moment to choose a clear, descriptive name so you can easily recognize this template later. When you've completed all of the prompts, your new app template will be ready to use, and you can apply it to future apps to speed up your workflow and maintain a consistent structure.